How to download Twitch app. One Twitch on your device for the smoothest streaming and viewing experience. Let's get it downloaded in seconds. First, open your browser and search Twitch download. Many websites will appear. Tap on the official one. Here you will see an option to download. Tap on the one you prefer. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file automatically. Once that's done, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. After installation, launch Twitch and you are good to go. If the download does not start, try refreshing the page or use a different browser. Sometimes pop-up blockers can prevent the download. Is the Twitch app stuck during installation? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.